Hey friends, today I'm going to show something amazing. I went in my garden this morning and I saw a bird making its nest. Shh, don't make noise. I don't want it to fly away. Come on, I'll show you. This is day 2 of the nest. I missed day 1. So much work done over here for day 2. Look, she's here. She's knitting the straw. She's went again. She's back. It must be so hard to knit everything with only one little beak. We have 2 hands, but she doesn't. Look, it's day 3. The nest is looking so good. She's taking so much efforts to make the perfect nest to protect her eggs from bigger animals that might like to eat her eggs, like snakes, cats, or any other bigger animals. Look, there's another bird over there. Mama bird is making the nest and the other bird is the daddy bird, I guess so. Or maybe not. It's day 5 and look, there's a baby egg. An egg. It looks so unique. I've never seen a colorful egg. I can't wait until the baby egg hatches. I'll make a video of that too. Until then, bye-bye.